the waves coming in. That's how big it is. This is how big they get during like a big swell. Right now those waves are getting up like really far. Holy cow. There's only 3 people out there because it's scary. Maddie, look at that.
Go out there and go look at the waves. Whatever. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Now. Ooh, the waves are pretty big. I'm gonna put the camera away because there's people coming.
Wondering why I'm not surfing, it's because I don't have balls.
We already knew that.
What?
Nothing. We're going to the lagoon.
Back.
I don't know.
You're being serious?
Is that a lobster?
No.
No. No. Okay, bye. It's so mad.
Yeah, Alex. Yep. Or was it walking from your boxes?
Oh, that looks so cool.
We're gonna go to Bacocho real quick. My mom and dad are gonna walk the crazy dogs, and me and Maddie are gonna skim this. Circuit. Got a sea urchin, needle. Zoom in there. You can see it again. Hold it down.
Aw, they're holding hands.
Go from underneath. Like angle it up.
Brotherly love. Outwards angle. Bam.
Dog.
Guess what?
Chicken butt.
That's so lame. Guess who?
Um,
Chicken poo.
I've never heard that one.
Wait, let me eat it.
forward. Oh, that's weird.
We're going to mazunte.
Epic.
I'm trying to.
We're Puerto Escondido. We're going on a road trip to Mazunte, making a few scenic stops along the way. We get some soaps, we're gonna do some shopping, we're gonna go to a nude beach named Zipolite, and we are also gonna go to the southernmost tip of mainland Mexico.
Just kidding. Bye. There's a yellow jacket, hornet, whatever it is. Something scary. Where'd it go? Where did it go?
Maddie, I killed it like 3 seconds ago.
Oh, really? Oh my god. Bunker. Bunker selfie. What you doing, Alan?
I'm unamplifying the noise.
Okay. Do I go to the bunker?
Yeah, go to the bunker out. The nuclear test.
We're inside of this like soap place, and they make all these soaps and like lotions and stuff.
180.
Very nice, very cool. This is what Alan's gonna get.
Conditioner, shampoo, and soap.
I'm gonna get sunscreen and exfoliator. You're back. Oh my god. How cool is that? We are as south as you can be in Mexico, almost.
And you know I hate to say, but it's just that.
Guys, we're at zipolite. Zipolite? Zipo.
I have no clue. I was gonna say salió, but that's salió.
Anyway, it's a nude beach. There's a lot of hearts. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. So. Hurry before a penis gets in the shot.
we just get down.
Had the time of my life, and I never felt this before. I swear, and I owe it all to you. 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! We're going to a birthday dinner for Gisela, the birthday girl, 19 years old. Going to this place where the chef won best chef in Oaxaca 4 years in a row. So a lot of food clips. Yum.
Won't you come try to ask? I don't wanna deal with this. Whoa, you say I ain't so trying to listen to you. I'm crying too long. 'Cause babe, I know she tries. I know what you say.